Good morning everyone, this is Isaac and Carl from NZ Trucking. Currently we're on the route down to Hamilton right now to go surprise our friend Ollie Johnson.
Yep, little Oliver.
And yeah, we're going to go surprise him. Hart Haulage, they've got a bit of a show going down for him for his birthday.
Yep, Barry and the team have put together an amazing convoy. Everyone's come together. It's just incredible what's happening, to be honest. Little Oliver, he deserves a bit of a treat, and so we're heading across with some little trucker down under bits and pieces.
We'll go surprise him now, eh?
Yeah.
What do you say about that, Carl?
Yeah, make his day.
Yeah, let's go do that now, guys.
This is Trucking Radio 24/7, special day today. Young Hamilton boys in for a big surprise. Dozens of truck drivers are planning something special. One of the men behind it is Josh Hart, who alongside Dad Barry and Hart Haulage are putting this thing together. How did it come about, Josh?
To make a long story short, Ollie's mum put a post up on Facebook asking for a handful of truckies to come out and to allow Ollie to jump out in one of their trucks and do what they could to help make his day even more special. We got tagged in it quite a bit as due to the work that we do with the public-facing side of things, and so we've helped Ollie's mum Cassie to organise the logistics around this. But the turnout from the industry is what the industry participants, so all of us that are in the industry, know that this is what our industry does. And to be able to be a part of this and to help the logistics for us is absolutely amazing. This isn't our event, this is just what our amazing industry does. And to be a part of this in any sort of a way is absolutely fantastic. And to be able to be some of the front runners of this side of our industry to us is just so special. But to actually be able to show the country that this is what our industry does. This isn't just a one company thing. This is a whole industry thing.
Great chatting, mate. Thank you so much, and have fun with the convoy today.
Mate, we definitely will. Thank you so much to you, Muzzer, and to the team. And thank you very much for being a part of this and for the love and support you guys do, not just for myself or for Ollie or for everything else we do, but for just what you do for our country and for our industry. We love you all, and thank you so much.
Hey Ollie. Yeah. Turn around, look at the sky, buddy. Cool, bro. Awesome. Hey Ollie, how are you, mate?
Good.
Good? This is a bit of a surprise, isn't it, bro?
Yep.
You right there? Yep, you're on the foot. One more, bro. Awesome, bro. Happy birthday, Ollie. Happy birthday, bro. Yeah, bro. Ollie.
Hey Ollie, happy birthday!
Yeah! Happy birthday, bro! You having a good day, man? Yeah, it's awesome, dude.
Hey, we're going to have a bit of fun too, don't worry about that. Okay? Guess what, Ollie? We got us a convoy. We got us a convoy, Ollie. Sorry, I've got the truck sitting in the back out here too, mate.
Can I go have a look at every single one?
Go for a run,
Go
mate.
for it, dude.
Let's go for a run.
How's it going, Ollie? Happy birthday, my mate.
Hold on to me as we go, as we roll down this unfamiliar road. And although this wave is stringing us along, just know you're not alone. 'Cause I'm gonna make this place your home.
Here it comes. Here comes the convoy from the Ollie Johnson. It's his birthday. There we go, there's our pilot. And behind there. And behind there we've got Tia's buddy Whitey Mac. Pretty impressive team. Even the cars enjoying it. Hey, they all get it. As we keep saying, this is why we're in the industry. This is what it's about. No, that wasn't the Isuzu.
There's a Corolla there.
Dairy Company represented. All trans. Doing it. And the Dodge what it's all about.
I guess it's time to get that B minor in tune, eh?
I reckon.
What do we reckon? Alright guys. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Ollie. Happy birthday to you. Hooray! Hip hip! Hooray! Hip hip! Hooray! Thanks guys. Now, I'm sure Mum and Dad want to say hello.
Okay, well, first of all, just want to thanks everyone. Thank you just doesn't cover what has happened today. We have been overwhelmed by support and messages from all over New Zealand and even all around the world. So we
Bless you.
But there is just one quick thing I want to say for today. There is one man that would have been here. He would have been here with absolute bells on. That isn't with us today. So Papa, may you rest in peace, mate.
Here. Awesome.
And we would also, a massive thank you to everybody. We couldn't buy flowers and chocolates for you all, I'm sorry. But to the Hart Haulage family, we would like to give you this.
All right, well, family, hey, what an amazing day.
What an amazing day.
Yeah, I mean, it's as we was talking about before, this is what happens, with the industry like this. They've just been amazing. I mean, Barry and the team, the family, incredible to start, pick up the ball and start running with it. But then everyone collects it and does this. It's just phenomenal.
Overwhelmed, and thank you doesn't cover what's happened today. A lot of people have gone to a lot of effort to make today happen, and it's those people and also other people that can't be here today that have helped us along the way. Those are the people that we really want to say thank you to. And Hart Haulage, biggest thank you, because like you say, they're the one that's come on board. They say, this is what we can do, and we've said, we're just going to follow your lead. We've been on the same page for the whole journey. It's just made it so easy, and we just
No, splendid. I mean, and he's a groover. He's a real character. I mean, and very, very fitting and worthy little trooper and ambassador for the industry, the up and coming industry.
He's an amazing little boy.
And that's what it's about. I mean, the thing is, hey mate, it's all about big rigging, eh?
Yeah.
Hey?
On the CB coming in, he was thanking about 10 times, thanking all the drivers.
Is that right?
He couldn't believe there were 65 trucks. He kept looking back in the mirror because he was in the front and he was looking back, and he's like, wow.
They're all following me. Pretty special, buddy. Well, happy birthday again from all of us at New Zealand Trucking Media and Little Trucker Down Under. That's, I know he's an avid reader, and we'll make sure he continues to get it, all right? So
yes, thank you.
Well, here we are. We are outside the wonderful CNR development, and what an awesome day, hasn't it been, Carl?
Yeah. Hey, look, again, just a massive thanks from everyone to everyone for what today's been about. Happy birthday, Ollie, mate. It's been, there's been a lot of emotion here today and so on. There's been a lot of people sort of, very, very passionate about
the trucking industry.
And giving.
And
You're just
giving out.
back.
And
that's what it's about.
I think that's kind of been the one thing that we've all seen today is how massive it's been, just seeing the amount of gifts and the amount of support that it has been seen here. I think it's been a really awesome day, and it's been an absolute blessing to just even be here and just document this journey. So
happy birthday, Ollie.
Happy birthday, Ollie. Be sure to like, comment and subscribe, guys, and leave Ollie a comment down below. Give him a happy birthday message. And we'll see you in the next video, guys. Take care.